हेलो। फर्स्ट लेट मी थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विथ मी। आप मेरे साथ में जुड़े हैं, इसके लिए आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इन दिस वीडियो द समरी इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन हिंदी। You also find a short critical appreciation of this poem. Now listen to me with rapt attention. Hello, welcome. In this video I am going to explain you the poem Money Madness, written by D.H. Lawrence. Money is our madness, our vast collective madness. Vast means it is spread all over. Collective madness, that means every one of us is mad about money. And of course, if the multitude is mad, multitude means again large number of people. If all multitude is mad, then definitely everyone should have some madness in him. Grain of insanity means at least a little. So everyone carries at least little madness about money. I doubt if any man living hands out a pound note without a pang. Without a pang means without a pain. Now he says he has a doubt that whenever a person gives some money to someone without expecting anything in return, definitely he will feel the pain. Loss of money pains us, that's what he wants to say. And a real tremor when he hands out 10 pounds note, that is when the amount becomes larger, when you lose that money, your pain will become more and more and you will shake with it. Tremor means shaking. We quail means we cry, we lose heart, we become so anxious when we lose money. Money makes us like that. Money has that power, he says. It has got us down. That means it makes us mean. We grovel before it in strange terror. So we surrender ourselves completely in front of the money. So money is that which makes us grovel in front of it. It has got that power. And no wonder. For means here because money has a fearful, cruel power among men. That means when people acquire possessions, when they become rich, and they become cruel also. So money brings cruelty in men. But it's not money we are so terrified of. Now he clarifies this here. It's not the money, it is the loss of money. So without doing anything, if you get money or anybody simply gives you money, there won't be any pain. Rather, it is the opposite. You will be very happy to get money without doing anything. Isn't so? It is a collective money madness of the mankind. That means we are not afraid of money. We are afraid or we are anxious because we give more importance to money, because we are all mad after money. For mankind says with one voice, how much is he worth? That means everybody has one attitude, that whenever we want to value a person, we don't value him on his moral qualities. We value him on what he has or how much he is rich. It is proportional. More the rich, more we respect him. Has he no money? Then let him eat dirt and go cold. That means for poor. If he has no money, then he is poor. So if he is a poor, let him eat dirt. That means very poor food. And go cold. In cold countries like England and the European countries, some European countries, it's too cold there. Every person needs some heat. Fire is must for your comfortable living there in the cold countries. So if somebody is poor, then he will die of cold. And if I have no money, that means if I am a poor, they will give me a little bread so I do not die. That means they keep me alive, just alive. They will not uplift me. They will only keep me alive so that I become their way for charity. Or they use me for their charity, but they will make me eat dirt with it. If I have no money, it is that I am frightened of. So the poor says that he is afraid of being a poor. So poverty is that much painful, and that fear can become a delirium. Delirium means extreme fear. It is fear of my money. Mad fellow men, we must have some money. Now he says to the poor that we must earn some money. What for? To save us from eating dirt. If you don't want to eat dirt given by someone, then you have to earn yourself to save you from this exploitation. And this is all wrong. That means the system what we have in our worlds, it is wrong. So then what is right then? Bread should be free, shelter should be free, and fire should be free. That means all these basic needs of a person should be met with. They all should be made free, easily accessible to all and anybody, to all and anybody. See, twice he writes. That means he wants to emphasize here that it should be free for everyone all over the world, to the all humanity. We must regain our sanity about money. That means we have already become insane. Insane means mad. Sanity is the opposite of it. That is being normal. So we have to regain it, he says. That means we have to leave madness. You have to give up that money madness. Then you will not hurt anybody. Before we start killing one another about it. That means for money, we might go to the extent of killing other people just because you want money. It's one thing or the other. You take it anyway. That means at last we must give up our money madness. That's what poet Lawrence gives us a call. And he warns us about the impending danger if we are mad about money. अब आगे 5 फ्रेम्स आएंगे, जहाँ जहाँ वो आते हैं वहाँ रोक करके समरी को अच्छी तरह से लिख लेना. फिर उसके बाद में आप ये एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है उसका अच्छी तरह से उसको सुन लेना. पोएट लॉरेंस कहते हैं कि हम सब पैसे के दीवाने हैं. हर एक व्यक्ति में कुछ डिग्री ये दीवानगी है. किसी का ज़्यादा है, किसी का कम. वह आगे कहते हैं कि कोई एकाध होगा जिनको मन को चोट पहुंचता न हो जब वह ऐसे ही 1 पाउंड पैसा किसी को दे देता है बिना किसी एक्सपेक्टेशन के. वह चोट कंपन बन जाता है जब वह आदमी 10 पाउंड खो लेता है, क्योंकि वहाँ बड़ा धनराशि होता है. पैसे खोना हमें दुखी बना देता है और चिंता से हम अधीर बन जाते हैं. हम पैसे के सामने ऐसे सर झुका देते हैं. वह हमें बहुत नीच बना देता है. धन एक व्यक्ति को बहुत बलशाली भी बना देता है और उसको क्रूरी भी बना देता है. कवि आगे कहता है कि ये पैसा नहीं, ये पैसे का दीवानगी जो है वो हमें भयग्रस्त बनाता है. एक दृष्टि से देखा जाए तो हम सब एक चीज़ में कॉमन है. आदमी का वैल्यू हम पैसे से नापते हैं. एक आदमी को हम जो रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं वो उसके पास कितना पैसा है उसके अनुसार अनुलोम होता है. मतलब ज़्यादा पैसा ज़्यादा रेस्पेक्ट. हम गरीब को पूरा नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं। हम लोगों में एक धारणा है, अगर कोई गरीब है तो वो कचड़ा खाए और ठंड से मर जाए, मगर अमीर गरीब को थोड़ा ही उसको खाने के लिए देता है ताकि वो जिंदा रहे और वो अपना चैरिटी मतलब दान करने का है उसको सबको दिखा सके, और गरीब को ऊंचा उठाना नहीं। अमीर ये सोचता है कि अगर गरीब न रहे तो अपना चैरिटी वो किसको देगा, जिसके वजह से आपको भगवान से ब्लेसिंग मिलता था, वो कृपा अब बंद हो जाएगा। इसका मतलब दान करने में भी एक स्वार्थ होता है। इसलिए अमीर गरीब को कचड़े के साथ रहने के लिए मजबूर करता है। गरीब अपना गरीबी से भयग्रस्त है। यह भय बाद में एक प्रलाप बन जाता है। एक गरीब दूसरे गरीबों से कहता है कि यदि आप शोषण से बचना चाहते हैं तो आपको कुछ पैसे अर्जित करना है या कमाना पड़ेगा। कवि बिना हिचकिचाए कहता है कि आज का सिस्टम जो है वो गलत है। मूलभूत आवश्यक चीजें जैसे रोटी, मकान और आग सबको मिलना चाहिए और सारे जहां मिलना चाहिए। आखिर में कवि हमें चेतावनी देते हुए कहता है कि हम लोग पैसे के लिए एक दूसरे को मार दें, उससे पहले ये धन की दीवानगी से बाहर आ जाएं। यहाँ इस पोएम का क्रिटिकल अप्रिसिएशन है, अगर आप चाहें तो इसको नोट कर सकते हैं।